We found a strawberry farm. Ooh-cha. So we just pulled up to a strawberry farm. So we're gonna go here and pick some strawberries. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and see what type of strawberries we need. You know we got Bella with us. Unfortunately, they didn't let Bella come in. I told her she doesn't identify as a pet. Here we go. All right, so how's this work?
So if you guys are interested in you pick, then I would give you a bucket here, or if you wanted to, we could do that. And then you just put the berries into the plastic bags. Mm-hmm. Go out there. I would just kind of direct you or like show you the fields, how it goes. And then, yeah, you just pick the right red berries and let's do it. Come back.
Let's do it.
And we'll weigh them up and then you pay for them. Okay. Some people do pick them and leave them. You can do that too.
Let me ask y'all a question. Well, do you guys put any kind of pesticides on them or anything like that?
No, we're an organic farm.
Okay, that's good to know. That's good to know. Yeah. We are too.
All hand weeding. You guys have an organic farm?
Yes, we do.
Lovely. Does it have a name?
Yes.
Garden of Treatz.
Garden of Treatz?
Yeah.
Indeed.
Beautiful. Thank you. All right. How many copies would you like?
I just want. Thank you.
You're welcome. So our field is this way, and all of the rows are numbered 1 through 40.
Okay.
1 through 12 are the early season berries.
Okay.
So they're going to be maybe a little smaller,
Okay.
But plentiful.
They sweet? Those are the sweet ones?
I think all of them are sweet in their own way.
For sure.
Okay. But yeah, feel free to taste from different rows. And
Okay.
It's like, I like these ones better.
All right.
Then after that, there's the mid-season. They're called the jewelberry.
Okay.
And they're a little bit bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
we
you.
go out this way?
This way.
This way.
All right. Excuse me.
Brilliant. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Let's go, gang. That's so good. So we plucking strawberries.
Riley, you ate that? You ate the whole thing? Is it good? Yes, and that's so good.
So these are our strawberries we got from the orchard. Marley, you want some more? As you can see, her face, she really enjoys them.
Is it good?
She like her good H302s. Look, she's trying to reach for the bowl. And you want to grab one, girl? Her grab one. Oh, wrong side, sweet girl. Flip it around. This way. Oh, shoot. She swallowed it.
She can eat it.
Oh, she can. She broke it down. That's crazy.
She got teeth now. You don't see those teeth in the front.
Not until she bites me.
Say, I got teeth, Daddy. Say, I got teeth. Look at this one.
Look like a little booty
like
cheek. Look like some booty cheeks. Here. This one's soft. It has been some of the sweetest strawberries I've had before, for sure.
What the heck? I don't know about that one. What I noticed is it's like it leaves a dye on your hand.
Oh yeah, they oh, it's kind of like I was eating Marbury. She just keep reaching in the basket, biting one and tossing it out. Mario, you eat strawberries like a deer. Oh, Ain't no way you can eat that whole thing.
Why are you taking it out her mouth?
She ate it. That's crazy.
It breaks down to something soft for her to eat.
Man, what? I'm new to this.
You're so overprotective.
See, look at her, y'all. Look at her. Busted.